Hi everyone and welcome to the Freelance channel. My name is Florante. Today's video I'm going to show you how to resolve the problem with updating your avatar for your email. So right now I am on Gmail and I have here my email address info@onlinefreelanceacademy.com, which has the letter F as the avatar. So what I would like to do is to change it and update it with my photo. So I have here an image that I have already uploaded. However, when I go ahead and click and set it as a profile photo, I get this message. Okay, so it's telling me that the photo could not be saved. So if this is the problem that you're having too, this is what we're going to resolve today. Alright, so let's go ahead and I'll show you how to fix this. So I'll go ahead and click on OK. Now this account that I have is managed by onlinefreelanceacademy.com, so this means that it's a G Suite email account. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and log into my G Suite dashboard. So you just have to click on sign in and then input the domain name, which is of course onlinefreelanceacademy.com. Then click go. Okay, I'll go ahead and log in. So this is an admin account. So if you are not the admin, you have to contact the administrator for your G Suite. Okay, so right now I am already logged into the admin console. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll go to the directory. I'll just go ahead and choose directory settings. Now this will take us to this page or this window where you will have the different settings for your account. Click on profile editing or editing of the photo. I'll go ahead and make sure that the box is ticked. And of course, once you have that updated, you just go ahead and click on save. Alright, so now that the profile information settings has been updated, we'll go back to the email. We'll go ahead and click on change and we'll go back and choose the picture and set it as profile photo. Okay, so that seems to have already worked it out. Let's go ahead and refresh. Alright, so it may take a while, but you will notice right away on the left side of the screen that the avatar is now showing my image, my picture. Alright, so it's now showing. So it should take, a few minutes or so, or probably if we log out of this email address, this will probably update with the new email avatar.